So goal is 24 points by Friday. Work on documentation, make sure documentation looks good, explain your aesthetics and what your code will do once it's there, where you're using your loops, where you're using your if conditionals, where you're using your array, and then go from there. So that way when I grade it, I can see what your plan is, and if I think there's a better plan, or I think you could make it easier on yourselves or whatever, I can tell you that when I grade it, and then you can take that into consideration before you turn it to the college.
So then if the spreadsheet is using a loop, then can we auto use an array?
Yes. But remember they said that it doesn't have to be split for the three things. So the three checkboxes are in the three different techniques. Those three things just have to be in a technique. So like all three could be in one technique, but you gotta make sure that doesn't load the mastery into that one technique and the other techniques are just kind of like meh. So like if you have two techniques that use conditionals, you can showcase which one you want to in the documentation, just to kind of explain what you were doing and how you were doing and all that kind of fun stuff.
Okay.
Cool. You just have to make sure each of those three things are being used by one of your techniques. Okay, that's all the time we have.